Hello everyone, welcome again to another video. Now this time I want to speak about visa for Ireland. So I was applying for a visa for Ireland and I had a lot of challenges, and at the end of it I forfeited the application. I didn't apply because I didn't get the right information at the right time and at the right moment. And so I don't want you to go through the same process, so I decided to make a video and share the information I gathered. So here we go. Okay, so before you apply for a visa to Ireland, you have to know first of all that Ireland is the second largest island in the British Isles. So it's the third largest in Europe and is the 20th largest in the world. So geopolitically speaking, Ireland is divided between, there is first of all Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland, which you could term as southern part of Ireland or Southern Ireland. So Ireland is divided in two countries. So when they say Ireland, you have to find first of all if it's Northern Ireland or is the Republic of Ireland situated in the south part of Ireland. Now Northern Ireland has its capital Belfast and is part of the United Kingdoms. So it's the UK. So if you have a UK visa, then yes, you can travel to Belfast in Northern Ireland as part of UK. But if you are speaking of Ireland, the Republic of Ireland, that's Southern Ireland, and Dublin, for example, as capital, they speak Irish and English, then it is European Union, but not Schengen. That's the catch. It's European Union, but it is not Schengen. So you have to make the difference. So you have to know, yeah, it's very strange, but that is what it is. So you have to know, first of all, where you're referring to. So I've put a map. You look at the map, you would see. So if you locate where you're going, then you know which application applies to based on where you're going. All right. So the northern part of Ireland, like I said, is the UK. So you can visit it. You can visit that part if you have a UK visa without any problem, along with other countries that you get to visit when you have a UK visa. So I've put in a list of all the countries that you can visit with a valid UK visa. Now, what I was interested is I was going to Dublin, so I was more interested about southern part of Ireland, which is the Republic of Ireland. Now, it's part of EU, which means it has the same modalities like any other country like France and Germany, but it is not a Schengen country. Because it's not a Schengen country, a Schengen visa cannot allow you to visit the southern part of Ireland, which is the Republic of Ireland. Please note this, a UK visa does not allow you to visit the Republic of Ireland, and it also equally does not allow you to visit Ireland with a Schengen visa. So a Schengen visa does not allow you to visit Ireland. A EU visa also does not allow you to. Yes, I was supposed to travel to Dublin in the Republic of Ireland, okay, and so I had a valid UK visa and I had a valid Schengen visa. Okay, so I thought it was enough because it was a UK, but I thought Ireland was UK. I didn't make the difference. And so when it was getting closer to the travel period, I decided to inquire, and then I found out, unfortunately, that neither the Schengen visa was possible, neither the UK visa was possible for entry in Ireland. And so I had to apply for the Irish visa. Now, I was told that it takes not less than 8 weeks because they go through Abuja office. And if I probably apply, I had then 3 weeks left. So if I apply, it will probably delay and I might get the visa at the end of a period, after a long wait period. And so it might not be advantageous for the trip I had to take. So it was too late to apply. So I thought about it and wanted to try other means. So I made a lot of research, see where there was a special document or whether there was something I could do to find a way to get to Dublin. So after a lot of research, a lot of calls, a lot of emails, it came out that no, there's no way. The only way for somebody from West Africa to go through Ireland is to apply for an Irish visa, regardless of whether he has a valid UK visa or a valid Schengen visa. We do not qualify through the waiver program, and then the British Irish visa scheme also does not cover us. And so I decided to share this information so that you don't go through the same thing and don't get the wrong process. What delayed is that half of the people I asked and I was talking to confirmed that indeed with a British visa, I could go to Dublin, Ireland. I could go to Ireland. And another half said, yeah, with a Schengen visa, I could go to Ireland. But then later down the line, a lot of them did not realize which part of Ireland and what was in play. I think everybody has the notion that Ireland is Ireland, but it's not that simple. There are different parts in Ireland and there are different laws. It keeps on changing. We're hoping that from years to come, after some while, it will be renegotiated and it will work fine. And would have the opportunity with a UK visa and Schengen visa to go to Ireland. But as at now that I'm making this video, it is not possible. So you need to apply differently and separately. All right, so there's a visa waiver program. So you have to find out from the website if you qualify. There are certain countries that allow, first of all, to land in the UK, enter the UK, and then from the UK they can go to Ireland without any visa. So there's a special visa waiver program. So there's a list of countries. So you have to find out if you qualify. But of course, Ghana does not qualify, Nigeria does not qualify. It's a specific list of countries. So the people who qualify, those travelers are first of all obliged to land in the UK and then from there go directly to Ireland without an additional visa. That's how the visa waiver program works. And it is also not reciprocal. It's not the other way around. You first of all get to UK and from UK you can go to Ireland without a visa. But you can't use a visa from Ireland to go to the UK. You have to get a separate UK visa. It's not both ways. All right, there's also a British-Irish visa scheme that allows for both movement between Ireland and UK with one visa. And so there's a list of eligible countries. You might want to check the list. I know of Colombia, Indonesia, Thailand, Ukraine, Serbia, and Kosovo and Saudi Arabia, where you are able to use a UK visa to the Ireland and an Ireland visa to the UK. All right, but it comes with conditions and terms, so you have to find out. So for example, I know from China, for example, those nationals from China do not require a visa to travel to Ireland. Okay, but they do require one to in the UK, and they have to go through the UK. They have to first of all make an entry to the UK, and it's only valid for visitors visas. So you have to find out. And so I've put in the links that you need below for the Irish authority, the embassy, and then how to apply. So the application generally is very simple. You fill an online form where you provide all the information you need. You print the application form, you add it to your passport and passport pictures and evidence of payment of visa, evidence of travel and any visa you have, and any other supporting documents like bank statements, introductory letter from where you work, and if you're going on a mission, a letter with all the details, if it's a holiday, need an itinerary and the like. So my particular situation was, I was supposed to get to Dublin and I had a UK visa that's valid, and I also had a Schengen visa that was valid. Now, I assumed the two of them would get me to travel to Dublin. And then when it was close to time, what happened is that, so I came to realize knowledge is power, information is power, and time is important. So I was out of time when I got the real knowledge, the real information, and so I couldn't do the application, and it was too late for me. I still also didn't want to take the risk of applying and then waiting for my passport, and then it's delayed maybe about a month or 2 or 3 months or 4 months, because I had to travel for a specific period. I had specific days within which I was to be in Dublin. And so it is important, and that's why I'm sharing this information, so that you stay within the right